Hello friends, a video I was thinking to make, it's a long time pending, is about my travel kit. So whenever I'm out for a ride for 3 or 4 days or maybe lesser, so I prefer to travel light, and I believe every one of us do. So here's my bike loaded with few of the bags, and let me walk you through what all things I carry while I'm on a short trip. So there is a front pouch I hold. So this one I keep my cell phone, my toolkit, and any other repair equipment, probably even a sanitizer due to the COVID thing. Followed by this, I have a saddle bag. Saddle bag is a pretty larger one. So in this saddle bag, I keep my clothes and all other stuff in here. This is again from Trek and Ride, though it's not fully stable, so I need to attach it with a bungee cord. Apart from these two bags, I have another bag. This from Between, and this is where I carry my camera, my kit, something to snack on, food, quick food. Also, like attach a blinker here for the night purpose. I have an air pump here, and so whenever needed, I simply, in the puncture cases, I carry extra tube. For shorter distance, I carry one tube. If it is for a longer distance, like maybe for a month or few weeks, I prefer 2 or 3 spare tubes to be in my bag. Even along with having tubes, I also have my tires equipped with tire liners. They help me avoid punctures while I'm on road. And I carry 2 bottles, hydration purpose. So I don't carry a hydration bag. I don't have a hydration bladder in my bag because bag is always full. So when I'm a short ride, I travel to places where there are market, and in every 10 or 20 kilometers I find some or the other shop. So I don't think that would need it. Hey guys, thought of adding one more clip to this video. This is about things I carry. Like it's an extension to the same saddle bag. What all things I carry in my saddle bag. The saddle bag is from Trek and Ride, and so these are the things that I generally carry while I'm on a short ride. So the first thing goes in is a is a pouch. So this is my and this goes all my toiletries and cosmetics, toothbrush, soap, everything goes in this pouch. So let's keep it inside. Then I have a spare tube. For shorter ride, I prefer a single tube. For longer rides, I may carry 2 or 3. Then I have one extra cycling shorts and one regular shorts to travel around. Um, 2 t-shirts, one towel, and extra cycling t-shirt. So once everything is in, all I need to do here is to just roll this sleeve like this, and then on the top clip it, and the other clip goes on the other side like this, and the bag is ready. So this is all I need to carry, along with a small pouch which is an external. I attach it with a zip tag. I just keep my earphones in this pouch, nothing else. Next thing is my waist pouch. So I keep cash, tickets, passes, everything goes in this pouch. Next are the lights. Lights are very important, like especially when I ride in dark. So I prefer 2 lights so that in case one goes off, so I have another option available.
In most cases, I also use both of them, so they act as a dual lights in front of my cycle. I recommend having two lights instead of one, so that in case of a long distance, you can simply carry on with another one if one goes off. I also carry a small bottle of bicycle chain lube, a cloth to clean my bicycle when needed, a multi-purpose toolkit, a puncture repair kit, power bank, and a rear blinker.
So make yourself comfortable with your travel kit. I think the most important part here is to whatever makes you comfortable. If you like carrying a lot of stuff while you're on the ride, feel free to have a saddle bag, or maybe a pannier with a stand. If you prefer traveling light like me, so I prefer keeping as lesser equipment as possible. I travel very light. I'm equipped very low, and I even with my clothes I carry a detergent soap. So whenever I'm halting somewhere, so I wash my clothes, I dry them, and then I again carry them along. So I simply hold like three pairs of clothes. So yes, that's it. So I hope you found this video useful. I'll try to post videos about my travel kit. So this is something that I carry while I'm on a local one, like 2 or 3 days. I have another setup where for a longer distance, like 15-20 days, I carry another set. I'll try to record a video on that. So stay tuned. If you like the video, if you found this helpful, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.